Do you want to earn $700 a day? I'm going to show you how to promote Digistore 24 products the right way. This is Digistore 24 for affiliate marketing. Hello, this is Mark Daniels. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do things right with promoting Digistore 24 products the correct way. And we're going to do that in just a few easy tricks. Let's go to work. But before we get going, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button for a few reasons. One of them, you would receive some perks you would not receive if you're not a subscriber. And I'm going to be making money-making videos, and believe me, you don't want to miss them. Let's go to work. The most important aspect of Digistore 24 affiliate marketing is to know how to promote Digistore 24 products. Number one, how to create an account on Digistore 24 affiliate marketplace correctly. Number two, how to promote Digistore 24 products and avoid 98% of mistakes affiliates make. Number three, Digistore 24 affiliate marketing products you should avoid. Not all products are good for you. And number four, how to make money Digistore 24 fast. Number one is the right way to create an account on Digistore. Digistore is a big platform. In case you're not familiar with Digistore 24, I'm going to go ahead and talk about it just a little bit. As you can see right here, it's right now around 3 million. And if you compare that with ClickBank, it is roughly about the same thing. But ClickBank been around for ages, and I'm not going to say one of them is better than the other, but Digistore is a place that you want to do some investing in. What I'm talking about, I am seeing a lot of people from ClickBank posting their products from ClickBank to Digistore as well. All right, let's go ahead and move on a little bit here. In case you are not familiar with affiliate marketing is something very important. Affiliate marketing is basically you are promoting someone else's product. That product usually could be a physical product or could be a digital product, but usually it's always online. Basically, you promote that product, you don't own that product, you generate some people to look at it, and if they buy it, you get a portion of their sales price, and then you just repeat that cycle. What's good about it is that you don't have to create a product, you don't have to deal with making that product and the customer service, so you're skipping all that. Affiliate marketing right now is growing tremendously. Okay, so to create an account on Digistore 24, all you gotta do is go to their main website. All you have to do is click on register right now, and then you have to fill out all this. Now, one thing is that you want to do is just click on affiliate, because you don't want to deal with a vendor. This is if you are making a product, for example, you click on this, and you don't want to deal with that because there are some stuff that will going to pop up there for you. And all you have to do is just create your account for free. Just fill out this information, make sure to give the right information, and you're in. There is no age limit on that. You can get paid with PayPal. Okay, number two, that you want to let them know how you want to get paid. Choose payout, and then you end up at this page right here. This is going to be $1 or anything like that. You're going to tell them when there is $50 in my account, go ahead and send it to me, or you can choose something else if you want to. However, you need to put your password up here in order for them to do that for you. And of course, you want to let them know how you want to get paid. For example, is it PayPal or any other option that they have or they might have in the future. Okay, right now we are moving to step number 2, which is how to promote Digistore 24 products, avoiding 98% of the mistakes affiliates make. There are a lot of mistakes that affiliates make. I want you to go ahead and avoid that, because this is how you are going to win. Now, we are in the marketplace, and when you click on the marketplace, it's very much like ClickBank, which is they put all the good stuff up there, and then you go down to the worst stuff. However, you can just do whatever you want to. If in case you want to look for a product, you can do that. In case you want to look for a vendor, you can do that, or billing type, or whether it's in different language as well. A lot of affiliates, they look at something like this, for example, and they go, whoa, I'm going to get 85% commission out of this, and what's going to happen is that I'm going to get $129 per sale. Whoa, that's great. Well, not really. That's not how you choose your product. I taught something similar on ClickBank, which is a little bit more tricky because they don't show you some of the information that they show you here, which is great. Why would you want to sell anything with a cancellation rate of 12%? The other thing that you want to look at is that if you are a new affiliate, you don't want to pick a product this high, because if you are selling it like this, the price is 150, and if you are a beginner and you're not well known, it's very difficult for other prospect to buy anything from you with that price. So you want to get into with a lower price range and with something that is really good. Now, there are several reasons for us to click on physical product and supplement, because after what's going on in the world, a lot of people, they want supplement. For example, a lot of people gain weight, and a lot of people, they have some emotional issues as well. The one that we want to do should not be too expensive. Pick something that is really good. Something like this. It's not expensive, but look, you are getting 80%, which is about $43.63. With the funnel that I gave you, it should be a breeze. If you take a look at the cancellation rate, it's only 3%, and the cart conversion is not bad, is 9%. But what's good about it is it does have an affiliate support page. Do not do anything with a product that does not have affiliate support page, because you're going to be having a hard time trying to find a lot of things like videos, banners, email swipes, and so forth. Step number 3, which is there are Digistore 24 product you should avoid. The answer is yes. Like I mentioned before, some people go up to the top and they do some filtering and they go, well, okay, which one pays me the most, and I'll pick it. Think about some other stuff. One of them is like I mentioned, the conversion rate. Right here is 16%, but look at the cancellation. 33% of the people are going to cancel. So this is totally a waste of time, even though I mentioned something about pills and health and diet, but you have to know exactly which one to go for and which one not to. Step number 4, how to make money on Digistore. There are few things have to take place. For example, the cancellation rate, conversion rate, and there's something else. Where are you going to be advertising this product? I always suggest a free and paid. It's up to you which one you want to do. If you are doing a product and you're going to advertise it on a free platform like a social media, that social media must be a native environment for that product. In other words, if you are selling something for females, you want to know, because 75% of all females, they shop on Pinterest. You have to take that in mind as well. You can't just go out there and just blast it all over the place and waste your time and your money. What I'm about to tell you is something that is very important and very powerful. Don't ever depend on the power of one. If you are following my teaching for a while, you know this is what I believe in. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. For example, if you are using free advertising platform, don't just do it on one platform. Do something a little bit different. The way we do it, I always did it. Doesn't matter if I'm working for a client or I'm working with an individual. We always did something different. We always utilized traffic, Digistore 24 or ClickBank. It really doesn't matter, with a 24-hour traffic. And this is targeted traffic. This is a traffic that is exactly for what you are selling. Whatever you're selling, you need to use that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description because it's very helpful. It doesn't matter if you want to do it on free platform, you have to use that, because without it, it's going to be very difficult to take off. You want to take off and you need a little bit of push, especially in the beginning. Step number 4, how to make money on Digistore 24 fast. How to drive targeted traffic to your Digistore 24 landing page. A lot of people, what they do, they get traffic from free sources like social media and some other ones, mostly social media, which is free traffic, and they send it to their landing page. Well, this is good, and I do encourage you to do that because it'll be very difficult to succeed without taking advantage of that free traffic. However, this is not enough because a lot of people have already beaten you to the punch. In other words, a lot of people have already posted. If you're getting started right now, remember, don't be upset if you just choose to do just the free traffic. That's fine. Remember that a lot of people have already done so. If you posted 5, somebody else already posted maybe 50 posts. What you want to do to catch up and to make money much faster is to utilize the 24-hour targeted traffic. You will build your email list much faster and you can sell multiple products. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. You can take advantage of it if you want to. If you want to learn everything about affiliate marketing and how to get started the right way, click up here. If you want to know everything about Digistore 24 and how to get started, including a free funnel and a free product that you can utilize right now, click right here. And as usual, I will see you at the top.